come back with the after.
Huge box. I ain't supposed to be lifting nothing. But let's see how well it's packaged. This is the first piece. Bet you could tell what it already is. My Muji storage. That's the 5 drawer, and they bubble wrapped it with like 2 things of bubble wrap. And then I got 2 of those. And then let's see, they were having a Cyber Monday sale. Oh, they wrapped this like they didn't want this to crack at all. And the box does say fragile, but they put a ton of, I think this is 3 things of bubble wrap, and they taped it. The whole thing is taped. And this is the 2 drawer with the lid, the flip top lid. Let's see. I could open it without scratching it. Yeah, this is the 2 drawer with the flip top. And this is thick. And the lids, the trays slide out. So I got 2 of these too. So I'm going to sit this 5 drawer and then put the 2 drawer on top. Like that. On my vanity. So. Okay, so this is the setup. Excuse the mess up here, but I just filled some things in my Muji drawer. I'm filming this many moons later because, you know, whatever. But there's some of them are empty. Some have, you know, things in them. I have everything sitting on top and whatnot. So that's pretty much just the setup right now. I won't show you my mirror, anything. I have my chair. This dresser is old. I think this is the Micke. And there's some stuff inside of it. The drawer opens. I have my pillow here and my chair that I got from Walmart. This I got from Home Goods, and it pretty much just has some palettes here, some eyeshadows and things there, and the rest is just my hair tools and stuff in here. Yeah, pretty much hair. So I have that. Some makeup things are on the top, and my perfume tray, which houses some of my perfumes. I also have my lights up here. I only have 2 in because this is very, very bright. I need a dimmer for it. And then I have this, which I got from Home Goods. And I have another one, which is just eyelashes, which is supposed to go here, which is why that line is there. But yeah, I took it down. So this is pretty much just, you know, how the Muji drawers look, how big they are, and, you know, how they're housing most of my products. I'll probably do a makeup vanity tour thing, but yeah, not right now. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.